Today we're going to go over how I installed this awesome Tesla-style head unit in my 3rd Gen Tacoma, so stick around. And don't forget to check the description for a $100 discount code. Now let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. Here's the unit. That is a big screen. Looks pretty slick. Don't know if there's anything I can do about the chrome bezels here. We'll see if the factory ones will fit, or the factory replacement ones. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Comes with a whole lot of wiring. Hopefully the user's manual's got a lot of instructions. It comes with a multi-page kit here. It tells you what everything is. Very cool. Alright, we're going to start by taking the factory radio out. And then we'll get in here and see what we need to do to take all this stuff apart. You see the radio is out now. Now we need to get all of these controls out. Alright, to get the AC controls out and the ignition, you need to take a couple bolts off underneath here and pop this guy off first, and then it just slides out. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer these controls over. You just need a screwdriver to release those guys. You just release the tabs on either side and they slide right out. Now we're done with this piece. Next I'm going to take a look at these vents and see if I can transfer them over. So sort of like before, they have little clips that hold them in place. Come out in a couple pieces. Let's protect the face of this, and we will see if we can snap them into place. Also see if we can remove these silver bits and swap those out. Looks like they are designed differently, so that is not going to work. Well, let's unscrew it and verify. Yeah, so these are a totally different size. I might try and see if I can 3D print a replacement, but for now, we'll just leave it the way it is. Now we're done with this piece, except for my charger, which we'll install later. Doesn't appear to come with any extras. Hopefully what we have is all we need. Alright, now that the dash and the unit are prepped, we're going to go ahead and plug in the new wiring harnesses. There's some pretty good instructions here. It tells you what to plug into what. I'm not going to go over all the detailed installation. This book does a pretty good job of telling you what to install for what models. And when you get back in there, you know, the plugs only plug in one way. There's no way you can plug in a plug wrong. Different models require different wiring harnesses and different settings. So this particular truck is a 2016 with digital air conditioning controls and heated seats. So those are all things that were important to me that would work. And here's the wiring for everything I didn't use. This is for the 4G system if you want to run a SIM card. So the antennas and the SIM card. This is if you have the manual air conditioning controls. This is an external microphone, but it does have a built-in microphone right here that works fine. This is a different wiring harness if you have a different model. External USB. And another input for video. Here's a good look at the fit and finish. This thing fits on here pretty good. It's nice and tight all the way around. No complaints there. Since the miso trim rings wouldn't fit, I designed and 3D printed replacement rings. You can find a link to the file in the description below. Hopefully you guys found that useful. There are a lot of aftermarket radios out there, and I think this one is a pretty good choice. I definitely like how big it is and how easy it is to use, but you can make your own decision on that. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.